Hello dear students, welcome to English grammar class. I hope all of you are doing well. So students, in this video I'll be continuing with unit 6, that is negative sentences. So in the previous video I had explained till question number 2nd. Now in this video I shall be moving to question number 3rd. So question number 3rd is, now change these sentences into negative by adding do not, does not or did not with root form of the verbs. So in this question you have to make these sentences negative by adding do not, does not or did not with the root form of the verb. Now before we come to this question, let me explain you the concept of do not, does not and did not, that where do we use all these three. So in order to explain this, let me come to my whiteboard. See, usage of do not, does not and did not. So students, we use do not and does not with simple present tense. If a sentence is in simple present tense, then we use do not and does not. And if a sentence is in simple past tense, then we use did not. So please remember, with simple present tense we use do not or does not, and with simple past tense we use did not. Okay, so now the question is that where to use do not and does not in simple present tense. Now see, let's come to the usage of does not. Does not is used with singular nouns and pronouns. We use does not with singular nouns and pronouns. For example, he, she, it, Ram, Shyam. With all the singular nouns and pronouns, we use does not. Now let's come to do. Do not. We use do not with I, we, you and all the plural nouns and pronouns. With all the plural nouns and pronouns, we use do not. So I hope that the usage of does and do are clear to everybody. Now let's come to did. Did not. As I told you that we use did not with simple past tense. If the sentence is in simple past tense, then you don't have to see whether the noun or pronoun is singular or plural. If it is in simple past tense, then you have to use did. No need to see singular or plural form. Just remember, if the sentence is in simple past tense, use did not with simple past tense, irrespective of the noun or pronoun being singular or plural. And if a sentence is in simple present tense, then you have to see whether the noun or pronoun is singular or plural. If the noun or pronoun is singular, then you have to use does, and if it is plural, then you will have to use do. So I hope the concept of does, do and did are clear to everybody. Now we'll move to the exercises. Question number 3rd. Now what you have to do, you have to change these sentences into negative by adding does not, do not and did not. First question. Dr. Kalam belonged to a humble background. See, in this question, the word belonged is mentioned, and belonged means it is a past tense, means the sentence is in past tense. So as I told you that if a sentence is in past tense, then we don't see singular or plural form. We write did, we use did. So Dr. Kalam, one second, Dr. Kalam did not belong. We have to use the root form of the verb. Belong to a humble background. This you can write by your own. So Dr. Kalam did not belong to a humble background. Since the sentence is in simple past tense, we have used did. Next, she keeps her things carefully. See, this sentence is in simple present tense. She keeps. So she keeps. So she means we are talking about a single means it is a singular noun. So with singular we use does. So she does not keep. Keeps will change into keep. She does not keep her things carefully. Third, children make a noise. This sentence is again in simple present tense. And children means we are talking about plural. So with plural we use do. So children do not make a noise. Children do not make a noise. So I hope that till question number 3 it is clear to everybody. Now we'll move to question number 4. Rashid obeys his elders. So this sentence is in simple present tense. So Rashid is means we are talking about a singular noun. So Rashid does not obey. Obeys will change into obey as we use the root form of the verb. His elders. 5th, Asha sings sweetly. Again this sentence is in simple present tense and Asha means singular. So Asha does not sing sweetly. Next, Harsh tells a lie. So Harsh is a singular noun. So Harsh does not tell a lie. Tells will turn into tell. 7th, I go to school regularly. It is a simple present tense sentence. So with I what we use? We use do. So I do not go to school regularly. 8th, they watched the whole episode of Friends. See, this sentence is in simple past tense. They watched. So we will use did. They did not watch. They did not watch the whole episode of Friends. 9th, Cinderella wore a beautiful dress. Again this sentence is in simple past tense because wore is there. So Cinderella did not wear. Cinderella did not wear. Wore will change into wear because you have to use the root form of the verb. 10th, we made a model for science exhibition. We made. Again this sentence is in simple past tense. So we did not make. We did not make. Made will change into make. We did not make a model for science exhibition. 11th, she makes silly mistakes. So this sentence is in simple present tense and she means we are talking about singular pronoun. So she does not make silly mistakes. 12th, many cars create air pollution. We are talking about plural. So many cars do not create. Many cars do not create air pollution. So I hope that till question number 12 it is clear to everybody. Now let's come to question number 4. That is the last question. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. She is very weak. She dash lift this box. So if a person is weak, then definitely can't will be used. She can't lift this box. Can't. Second, last night I dash sleep. Last night we are talking about past tense. So with past we use did. So last night I didn't sleep. Third, he always speaks the truth, but yesterday he dashed tell us the whole incident. He didn't because we are talking about past. So he didn't. Whenever the sentence is talking about the past tense or is it in past tense, then we use did. Fourth, dash disturb me. Don't या didn't. Don't disturb me. Fifth, this is a CNG car. It dash create that much pollution. It don't create or it doesn't create. With singular we use does. So it doesn't create. This one. Sixth, look at the bright sky. It dash rain today. It will not or do not. It will not rain today. Seventh, you dash talk loudly in a library. You should not or should. You should not talk loudly in a library. Last question, question number 8. The sun dash set in the north. The sun does not. We are talking about one sun, that means singular. So we'll use does. The sun does not set in the north. So I hope that this chapter is clear to everybody. Negative sentences. So I expect you to please go through this chapter, and if you face any doubt, you are free to ask me. So thank you so much. We'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.